Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to transfer all emails and contacts from one Gmail account to another. I show you guys how to do that. So similar process. So well, at lost the second half of the tutorial about importing into Gmail. So if you are using Yahoo, Hotmail or another mail client, you should be able to import it in as well. So I'm going to show you guys that will be the second part of the tutorial. So all you have to do is click on this setting icon and select see all settings. And now you just need to select accounts and import. And in here, import mail and contacts. Click on import mail and contacts, and now you just need to type in whatever email account you want to import from. For example, I just typing my email address. After typing it, select continue again, and you need to sign in to that account, and that point you would be able to sync it in using the cloud migration feature in Google. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.